right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is part 2 of the Triumph Daytona 675 rebuild, and we are gonna kick that off today. But I got a couple things I want to go over first. So first, I want to give a huge shout out to the guys that participated, everyone that participated in the Instagram giveaway. So we had 5 winners. 5th place was Night Fury 675. Then it was Josh 6R. We had 3rd place with Savis Fly. 2nd place was Adventures of Alex. All those guys won a free set of RK Motorsports decals. And our grand prize winner, which was the grand prize, was Savvy Southpaw. So congrats to you guys. You guys are the first winners from our first giveaway. So huge shout out to those guys and everybody else that supported with the Instagram giveaway. So if you guys haven't already, follow my Instagram. I'll put that link in below the video here. And so let's get started. Let's continue with what we got going on in today's video. First thing first, I know in the GSXR video, a lot of people were ragging on me. I did not include a startup for the Gixxer. I got a lot of heat on that. So first things first, I'm gonna start up the Gixxer, let you guys listen to how that sounds. And then after that, we are gonna continue with the rebuild of the Triumph. As you guys know, the first set of fairings that I had delivered were the wrong ones. So right here, I still have not opened this box up yet. This is the new set of fairings that I got sent. I should probably start opening these boxes once I get them, because I don't know if this one's gonna be correct or not, but we'll open that. This is gonna be a first for me and you guys to see what's in this box. That'll be the color scheme that we're going with. I have not shown anybody what color I'm going with yet. Next thing I need to do is restore that headlight, get that on there, and pretty much just install the fairings. So first things first, we're gonna start off with that Gixxer startup, and then we'll start restoring and finishing up this Daytona 675. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, guys, here she is, 2005 Suzuki GSXR startup. I've already let the engine warm up, so I'm gonna give you guys a couple revs just to hear how she sounds. Prepare yourselves. I hope you guys like that. That was for everybody that was complaining that I didn't do the startup. So there you guys go. And now that we've got that out of the way, we can start moving forward with this little girl. So let's get those fairings opened up and let's get to it. All right, guys, so here she is, 2008 Triumph Daytona 675 Triple. I am very happy with the way that this came out. I mean, you guys might kind of know by the way that some of my bikes have been coming together. I don't really like to have something that has, you know, a very typical paint scheme that everybody else has. And I'm thinking about actually keeping this bike for myself. I don't think I'm going to be selling this. So let me know what you guys think about the way this thing turned out. It's kind of hard to tell in the video by the way the color is. I mean, it's a real bright, high-vis neon yellow. The lights in my shop here kind of drown everything out, and it kind of drowns out the color. So let me turn the lights off real quick. You guys will get a little bit better idea of kind of the color that this thing is putting off. It's a nice high-vis yellow. Really, it's gonna pop more like on an overcast day when there's not as much sunlight out, because the light's gonna kind of drown out the color. But I mean, even with the lights turned off here, you can see how that color really pops nice on the bike. So let me know what you guys think about the way that this one turned out. I know this one's been kind of a while in the making. I know you guys have kind of been itching to see this final product. As far as the next bike that I'm going to be rebuilding, I did have a vote between the R6 and the 636. I think I'm going to hold off on doing the R6 for now because I have a pending trade. I might be doing a trade with somebody for this bike. So as of right now, I'm going to have the 636 be my next build. And I cannot wait to get my hands on this thing and start reworking it for you guys. Also, another thing, I'm starting to get very close to 10,000 subscribers. You guys have been super awesome with supporting this channel. So I'm thinking about having another giveaway once I hit 10,000. So I'm gonna hold that giveaway also through Instagram. So if you guys haven't already, follow my Instagram link and be on the lookout for some more giveaways like that. So once again, this has been another wrecked bike that we have redone. I'm gonna leave you guys with one more startup of the Triumph.
go.